Hey, it's the pair here. This is episode 2 of the vacation vlogs. Unluckily, Dr. Pink did not show up, so I'm recording the intro of this one. In this one, we play Mortal Kombat, we go to Burger King. I think that's pretty fun to watch, so we watch it now.
Go out there and make a fool of yourself on the dance floor.
White boys with attitude.
He's not even like properly lip synced.
I think I need a controller.
Man, good job, guys.
One keyboard press is all it took.
I just woke up one more time, and it is 1 p.m. And stay tuned.
Hey Nick, how's your pure red 40 extract? We're doing a cancer speed run. Alright guys, it's the morning vlog.
Get it up and pour it on you.
We're gonna play, I bought Mortal Kombat 1, we're gonna play it together.
We're white boys and we're getting money.
Yep, we are white boys in pursuit of money this week.
Alright, now we're going to Popeyes and we're listening to Hooker with a Penis. Alright, now we're at Burger King, Jake's favorite restaurant.
How would I be able to obtain a Burger King crown?
I'm sorry, what was that?
How do I get one of those Burger King crowns?
Crowns?
Yeah.
Oh, you could just drive up. That's all you want?
Well, I would also like the what are they called? Like the chicken sticks or whatever?
The chicken fries?
Yeah.
Meal fit for a king.
4, 8, or 12?
We'll do 8.
And that's it?
Yeah, that's it. Thanks, man.
And then you want the crown, right?
Yeah. I want that crown. I need that crown.
Just one?
Just one,
Two,
please.
please.
Oh, you can drive up.
Actually, two, please.
2?
Yes!
Fuck yeah. Thanks, bro.
Our first degree at King is to enforce capital punishment. Theft should be dealt with death.
I love pussy so much, dude. Are you recording?
Alright, now we just watched 3 hours of movies, played like the whole Mortal Kombat 1 game, and we're about to go live for Meme Friday, but we're setting stuff up yet, so I'll zoom back when we actually have the setup ready. It's gonna be insane. Alright, just to keep this chronological, Jake fucked up Meme Friday, it's all his fault. So now we're watching Deadpool for tomorrow.
He's hit me like 5 times.
I plan on doing it again.
Over a lifetime, there are only 4 or 5 moments that really matter. Moments when you're offered a choice. To make a second, conquer a flaw, save a friend, spare an enemy. In these moments, everything else falls away. The way the world sees us. The way we...
We just finished Deadpool 1, this is our official review. Jake, what did you think?
I think Nick needs more sauce.
I don't think there's enough sauce on
I don't
the
think there's
taco.
enough sauce on that taco, Nick.
Alright, put a little more on.
Yeah, I'll put a little bit more on it there.
Alright, take your time. There we go. That's probably saucy enough.
No, I think you need a little bit. I think he needs a little bit more sauce.
Okay, the king needs a little more sauce.
Yeah, the king needs, like, he's got a crown on. He needs sauce.
I have to project superiority.
How can you eat a taco without, like, look at that. How can you eat a taco without sauce?
Yeah, that's about enough sauce. Alright, now we watched Logan. What was your decree on Logan? I thought it was pretty good. I'd never seen it before. I actually really liked it. Alright, we finished Deadpool 2, so we're all caught up. And we have all the lore for the movie tomorrow.
It's 3 a.m. I'm gonna go to fucking bed.
I'm gonna watch Frozen. I like that movie. There is a bomb strapped to your chest. The only way to disarm it is to like the video. I'm sorry. The FBI just called me and they told me that. It's a bummer situation for you, but it's kind of a good situation for me. You got 5 seconds to undo it. 2, 1. Sorry for the people that didn't like the video, but the next one is gonna come out soon, so it's the pair signing out. Bye.